Are shorts helping funnel views to your long form channel? Or are they really just hurting it? Most creators believe that shorts are a simple volume game, that the more views, the better and the faster the growth of your channel. But shorts and long form audiences are operating completely opposite of one another, and merging them incorrectly can actually hurt your channel. So let's break that down. How can shorts help your channel versus how can they hurt your channel? So, in general, shorts could hurt. Why? Because a short audience viewer is there for a real short amount of time. Their attention span, things like that they're trying to view is relatively quick. That's why shorts are roughly 60 seconds or so, and then they flip to the next item. Whereas your long form viewers are there to learn something and are willing to be engaged with your videos for a longer period of time. So if you have someone who's there for just a short, then it makes sense that they wouldn't be as engaged in your long form video, and your click through rate and your audience attention and things like that would drop because those long form videos is not what they're, you know, entering into YouTube to see. Now, what happens? So you start to notice that your CTR drops, and YouTube will push your long form videos to your subscribers. So if someone has subscribed from a short that you created and they start to see these long form videos pop up in their notifications, well, they'll click away from it or not view it. And that's going to hurt your channel's overall score. Thus, meaning that those fast swipers are going to be clicking away, their patience isn't there, and your retention rates start to drop on your channel. And like I said, these ghost subscribers. So after they have subscribed to your channel and then they've received three different, notifications for your long form content and they don't click on those notifications, not even one of them, or watch any of those videos later, YouTube will permanently stop sending them alerts about your videos. And so you have this broken connection. You know, you have this viewer who's there on YouTube trying to get short form content, that few minutes that they have on break, or, standing in line for the bus or in the grocery line. They're using that to fill that little bit of gap, and their attention is real short. And you're creating this long form channel. Well, you didn't create the right atmosphere for them, so it doesn't work out for your channel. Where it may work and help your channel is, you know, hyper aligned shorts serving a precise discovery engine for your deep guides. So think of this as like targeting a micro problem. So this really works for people's teaching or problem solving. If you can take a small snippet from your long form video, one of the small major problems, and turn that into a short, well, it could get people interested in wanting to know the answer to it, which may cause them to click on your long form video. And this is where that funnel from shorts could help that channel. Viewers become appreciative of your layout, your pace, and all that in the short. So then they may come to your long form video hoping to get more of that same type of information. The watch time, well, it motivates those users or those viewers to want to learn more. If they learn something in your quick, 60-second short, now they wonder what can they learn in your 20-minute long form video that they didn't learn in that 60-second short. And being able to utilize those links where YouTube now allows you to link your long form video to your short, thus meaning one click that viewer can jump right into your long form video. And those kind of features right there is what really helps a short promote a long form channel. And there's positive signals that YouTube rewards cross platform viewing, meaning that if you're using both forms, YouTube, sees an increase of impressions and they'll continue to push that. So there are some good ways that shorts can help long form channels, and there are ways that it can hurt long channels. So the question here is to short or not to short? That is the question. Okay, so it makes perfect sense if you have quick actionable topics. So if you have like micro hacks or real modular information that you're trying to present in your long form videos, that you can break that up and you can really show that in a short. Same thing. You've got some really good visual or instant hooks that you can break into some smaller content. It doesn't make sense if you're got like a slower, high concept video. So there's not really a high speed pace. You can't really break it down because it's such a detailed video that it wouldn't make sense to cut out small sections. It just doesn't retain enough information in 60 seconds to really show you the true meaning of what your video is. And then like if you try to do shorts like something different than your topic, some people I know will try to do like some type of memes or something in their shorts when they're trying to do long form because they know they get the views, hoping people subscribe. Well, then you get subscribers who are looking for comedy and not really the information that you're providing in your long form videos. All right, now I want to hear from you. Are you trying any shorts in your videos? And if so, are they helping? Are they hurting your channel? Are you seeing mixed feelings, undecided? That's kind of where I'm at now. I started out doing shorts with my long form videos. I slowed down the shorts. And now I think I'm almost at the point I'm going to pull back completely from shorts, just due to the fact that I'm kind of testing it right now in this couple weeks. I'm really wanting to create a channel that's for long form viewers and more people who want deep dives instead of like short 60-second tech updates. So that's what I'm really looking into, is trying to gain those long form viewers. And so that's where I'm at. I'm at that mixed, undecided, and I'm working to test both sides. I've tested with shorts and I've tested without. And I want to hear from you guys and some of you people who've maybe been on YouTube longer than I have. And I want to hear your stories about shorts and how it has transformed or hurt your channel or really helped your channel. I want to hear from you. Then, as always, I want you guys to join my community here. So if you can, drop a like, helps the algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn your alerts on. That way you get a notification whenever I post a new video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one.